Hi Capricorn people, welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me Pooja Lekha. This is the read for June 2020. You are getting guidance related to your relationship, career, and the general energies, overall energies for the month of June 2020. So let's start with the Capricorns. So I will draw four cards. Okay. Message for Capricorn people. So these are the four cards for you Capricorn people. Let's see your read. Okay. At relationship, this is 10 of Pentacle and it is in the reversed position. This card says कि might be you are feeling so bored while this lockdown period. You are not feeling supported maybe, and you want to meet your friends, or you want some new friends to so maybe you need a break, right? And you want to go out of the house and want to meet your friends, make some new friends. That's good, try this. So, and if you are a married couple and you are feeling very bore or some frustration at your home front, then this is not the time to move out of this relationship. You have to make it better. You have to do something to make your relationship more spicy. So try some new things, like watching a movie which likes by you both. Maybe spend some time, go for a walk after dinner, or morning walk, or practice some yoga, whatever you want to do together. But start spending some time together, because maybe during this lockdown period you are so much repulsion, or so much arguments, or whatever you have faced. So come out of it. That was just the phase that has passed, and now you have to improve and work on your relationship, right? This card suggests you to work with your partner on the same platform where you both enjoy. And at your career and the finances, King of Cups, you are trying to maintain the balance, but don't be this is the time, really time demands you to be little humble. Don't be over egoistic, or over emotional. Balance out your energies at work. I think at work front there is some bubbly situation which you need to handle with care. So balance your energy, balance your aggression if you are facing, balance your emotions, balance your fears. What I'm getting while going at the work front, balance your fear. See, everybody has to live with these situations, so no need of getting over anxious. This sun at your spirituality level, you try to maintain it. You try to start with it rather, and you feel good. Maybe you started during this period, maybe you started with something new, reads, maybe you started with some pranayam to enhance your energy level, or maybe you started with some meditation. You started some listening some good thoughts, your good videos, which will definitely, you try to strengthen your inner power. You try to empower yourself and to feel happy whatever the situation is going on. So whatever the things you are trying, it definitely it is giving you happiness, inner happiness. And try it, follow it with discipline, make it a habit of doing that. It will be a great help for you, whatever the situation at your home or at your office. All these things, chanting mantras, it always help. Instead of wearing gemstones, if you are making a habit of chant mantra every day, then it really help you a lot. It will help you to lift your energies. It will help at the emotional level. It will create a positive shield around you, which will protect you from all the negativity around you. So it's good if you are started something or you are into something, or just raise it. Overall energies for the month June 2020 for you Capricorn people is the Chariot. It says some moment, maybe you have planned to move from one place to another, or second, maybe you are balance your energies. Maybe you are trying to improve your relationship and you are trying to maintain trying to you are trying your relationship and at your work, both energies you are trying to maintain a balance. And maybe some traveling is there, but you are this time you are very focused. You know what you want in your life. You want relationship, okay, you are working on it. You want your work, your career to grow, you are also working on it. You are maintaining a balance in these two. Maybe for some reason, maybe some personal reason, or because of some official reason, you are traveling in this month. Overall, you are under control of your emotions. You are focused, you are determined, you are ready to do anything with great zeal. That's good. So overall energies is very good, Chariot. And this is for the Capricorn. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.